Hey guys, Kimber Kelly here with Rustic Touch Beauty. I'm a licensed cosmetologist of over a decade now, and I love bringing you guys all types of beauty tips. So if that's something that interests you, then stay tuned and keep watching. Today, we are talking all about skincare. It has come to my attention very recently that not a lot of people know about skincare or know how to best take care of their skin. Skincare is everything. Skincare is by far your best foundation. Your makeup will not look the best it can if your skincare routine is not up to par. I have dealt with many skin issues throughout the years. Hormonal acne, cystic acne, all the above. I can drop pictures right here to show you guys just the journey my skin has been on. And so I always preach, you gotta find what works the best for your skin, but you need to make sure that you're using high quality skincare products. I happen to find a skincare line that really has done wonders for my skin. It's taken my skin from honestly being something I was very self-conscious about to now I can't even believe my eyes when I look at my skin and just how far it's come. But you know, I get the occasional hormonal outbreaks every now and then, just like everybody else. But I do believe that because I have stuck to a routine and I have done this routine religiously, that it has helped my skin look the best it's ever looked. Biggest thing is investing in quality products. You don't necessarily need this 10+ step skincare routine. You can still get incredible results with a 4 to 5 step skincare routine. It all comes down to the quality of products that you're using. You can't expect to walk into a store and buy a $5 serum and have it work. Those serums are full of fillers and chemicals and just not good ingredients. And so if you can invest into good skincare, great skincare, then your skin is going to be that much better. So the steps I'm going to be showing you today is how I do my skincare in the morning time before I put my foundation on my makeup on. My nighttime skincare routine does look a slightly different. Order is still the same, but I'm adding in a few different things at night than what I do in the morning. So this is what I do in the morning before I put my makeup on. So let's talk about the order of application, because that also matters. If you're just kind of slapping things on different orders every time you do it, it's your products are not working the way they need to be working. So just think of it like this. If you're putting water on top of oil, it's going to repel. It's going to go away. So if you're putting water-based products on top of oil-based products, it's not doing anything. But if you put oil on top of water, it creates like the perfect concoction in this like amazing harmony of products that work together. So just always think water to oil, water to oil. That is the order you want to do it in. You want to start with your most water-based products, which are going to be your cleansers, your toners, your serums. Start with those first and then move to your heavier products like moisturizers and oils and things like that. Always start with water and end with oil. I'm gonna move on to my cleanser. This is like my holy grail cleanser. This is from Pomifera. This is their Balanced Facial Cleanser. And you guys, what I really love about this stuff is, I'm gonna read it to you guys. It's cruelty-free, it's paraben-free, it's fragrance-free, which is huge for me. I cannot have anything with fragrance on my skin. My skin does not react super well to it. And it's also gluten-free. This stuff is enriched with vitamins and minerals. It protects natural moisture, it's cleansing, and it's anti-aging. So lots and lots of good stuff in here. Like I said, I am still learning skincare, but I am realizing that skincare is everything. Like I said, your skincare is your best foundation by far. So I'm gonna do just a pump of this, and you can even see it's more watery base. See how it's not as thick? So I'm just gonna rub this all over my face, and you wanna make sure with cleansers that you are rubbing that in for at least a minute so that it's doing its job. You don't want to just like quick put it on and be done. So really make sure you're working that in for at least a minute. All right, once we have rubbed that in for at least a minute, let's wash it off. And the cloths I'm using are from Saint. These cloths are incredible. They are microfiber cloths, and they have just enough grit to them that you do feel like it's getting your skin clean, but they're soft enough that they're not going to be too harsh on your skin. Just buying like dish rags from Walmart or Target, those are going to be way too harsh on your skin. So having microfiber cloths where they're nice and soft, but they can still get a lot of that dirt and grime off of there is going to be huge for your skin. I used to use just your average washcloth all the time, and it always hurt my skin. Like, it was irritating my skin. There's zero irritation with these cloths. And Saint has them in gray like this and also white. So sometimes when I'm on my game and I'm up to date on my laundry, I will do white cloths in the morning because I don't have any makeup on. So I keep my white cloths for the morning, and then gray cloths I use at night because I'm taking like all my makeup off, and so the makeup doesn't show up as much on the gray. Then after you've cleansed, you'll want to do your toner. I currently do not have a toner with me. I'm out of toner. Otherwise, I would show you how I do that. But toner is great for kind of rebalancing the pH in your skin tone. So you want to make sure you do that right after you cleanse. All right, next we're going to move to serums. And the serums that, oh my gosh, you guys, I just love these. These are, both of these ones are from Helloskincare, and this one is the C Juvenate. It's their vitamin C, basically their radiance serum is what you can think of it as. Again, high quality ingredients used. Helloskincare is vegan, cruelty free. They go the extra mile with the ingredients that they put in their products, and it shows. So I just like to pat my serum on there. Sometimes I'll rub it in, but I've been patting it in there lately, honestly, because I've been watching a bunch of people who know their skincare a lot better than me, and that's what they're doing. they're like patting it on their face. So honestly, I don't know the reason behind it. I should probably know that if I'm teaching on it, but just know to pat it on there. And I actually brought this serum down my neck and onto my chest. Do not neglect the neck. That is like a saying that I live by. Do not neglect the neck, because as we age, this is the first spot that shows how old we are. It takes a lot of beating from the sun, and so if you're not taking care of your neck and your chest, it's gonna show right away how old you are. So do not neglect the neck. And I like to use the Radiance down there as well as the second one. This one is called Time Machine, and this is their anti-aging serum. So again, using it on my neck and on my chest to really get that in there. So I'm gonna kind of let these products soak in just for like a minute or so, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay. After we've applied our serums, you're going to want to moisturize your skin. So this moisturizer I'm using is from Pomifera. This is their normal to oily skin. I am someone who has struggled with acne. Pretty much all of my 20s were horrible. I was like, what is happening? I am in my 20s. I am not a teenager anymore. Why am I struggling with acne so much? But a lot of it was hormones. I spent all my 20s having babies, and my hormones were like this throughout my entire 20s, and I really do think that's why my skin was just all over the place. And I really didn't have a great skin regimen either that I did. So I've always kind of had that struggle with acne, so I like to use normal to oily skin, because if you do have acne, then that is a sure sign that you have excess oil to your skin. Acne comes from oil pockets on your skin, and so that is kind of my reasoning behind getting that version for my moisturizer. And I'm just kind of applying that all over. And what I like about the Pomifera products is all of it, I don't know if I said this in the beginning, I can't even remember, but all their products are infused with oil for their scents. None of it is fake fragrance that it's infused with. So they smell just really natural and really, really fresh. And that is, I just love it. It makes my skin feel fresh. I mean, even looking at it here in the light, like you can tell it's a high quality product based on the results that your skin will be getting. The next thing is an eye cream. This eye cream I am actually kind of testing out right now. Not sure if I love it yet, but it's from Monat. It's their nourishing eye cream. It looks like this, but it works. It kind of depuffs right here where I need it to depuff. I've got kind of these deeper pockets right here, and so it does definitely help with that. So you want to take your ring fingers to apply your eye cream. If there's one thing I learned in cosmetology school when we learned about skin, is your ring finger is the most gentle finger that you can apply products with. And your eyes, especially right here, this skin right here is very, very thin under your eyes, and so you don't want to use like these fingers because they're going to be too harsh on that skin right there. So use your ring fingers, because this is going to be the lightest, most gentle application, and you can see I'm just kind of patting that on there. Since this is my morning skincare routine, I'm going to apply my SPF, and this one is the Elsa MD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. You guys, do not skip your sunscreen. Sunscreen is the quickest way that you will, let me start that over. If you are not using sunscreen, that is the quickest way to age your skin rapidly, okay? Because the UV rays are jacking with your skin, and so you want to make sure that you are applying sunscreen on your face every single day. Get it on your ears, bring it down your neck, get it all over your face, because you want to make sure your skin is protected underneath your makeup. I do like this one. It has kind of a funky smell to it, but it does lay really beautifully under my makeup. Honestly, have not branched out to try any other ones yet until I'm done using this one. It is a little bit on the pricier side. I picked this one up off of Amazon. So again, I will link all these products in the description box below. But I got this one off of Amazon. Pretty sure you can find it at like Sephora, Ulta, those kind of places. They have tinted ones. This one is really good for skin types that are prone to acne, rosacea, and hyperpigmentation. So if that is you, then you might find that you actually really do love this one. Okay, so that is how I kind of prep my skin before I apply my makeup. One huge thing to remember is you want to make sure that these products soak into your skin for at least 20 minutes before you apply your makeup, especially if you're using cream foundation. You want to make sure you let those products soak in, because if you are just applying that and then putting your makeup on top of that, it's gonna slip right off and your face is gonna look like your makeup is melting right off of your face. So if you do not let those soak in, you're gonna run into issues with your makeup, okay? That is it for today's video. I hope you found it of value and you learned something new. Biggest takeaways is obviously the order of application, the quality of products, and making sure that you let these products soak in with enough time before applying your makeup. If you do not have a good quality skincare routine, your foundation, your makeup will not look the best that it can look, because your skin is the best foundation you can possibly have. So make sure you get your skincare right if you're wanting your makeup to look amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you are not following me on other platforms, I'm not just here on YouTube. I am very active over on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and starting to get a little bit into Pinterest. So be sure to be following me over there for even more fun and kind of a behind the scenes look into my life. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you next week. Bye.